What's up, YouTube? A Bum in a Suit here, coming back with another video break of 2008 Absolute Memorabilia. So 4 packs, obviously 4 hits. You get 1 pack or 1 pack. I was going to say 1 pack per hit. 1 hit per pack. That's what we're looking for. And there's a box, inside packs, inside boxes. I actually don't understand why they put them in these cases, like they kind of sell them at Kmart or something. I don't think I've ever seen any of these packs at Kmart, like you're trying to search them, but you can't. So anyway, pack number 1. Pack number 1. Actually, kind of neat to save those and do whatever with them. But anyway, pack number 1. Alright, base card, come from the back. We'll do our rookie card. Rookie card is Pat Sims for the Cincinnati Bengals. That is numbered to 799. Pat Sims for the Bengals, number to 799. Pretty nice looking basic cards. And that is our hit. I actually flipped it straight over. That is our hit. Really nice looking hit of a great looking player. Let's see what that's numbered to. Numbered really low. And let's see here real quick. I just want to take a quick look. Alright. The jersey autograph for the box will be for the Dallas Cowboys. Number 23 of 35 jersey auto of Mr. Felix Jones. Definitely a nice hit for that box. It makes up for the other boxes that I've opened. If you can see that. Felix Jones, number 23 of 35. If I can show you guys a little bit better there. 23 of 35. Kind of like a mirror finish. Really nice. Super nice. And that pack went to Buck Forever. Pretty nice looking card. Kind of going slow on this because there's only 4 packs. So it's kind of taking my time. Pack number 2. We'll go straight into our base cards. And we'll point it down so you guys can't see it there. So we're just going to put it straight down. Rookie card for the Bears. Actually, Marcus Monk. And we're to 799. Marcus Monk. And the hit, let's hide it and go slow. For the camera here, will be looks like a jersey ball jersey, number to 199 of rookie Devin Thomas. Devin Thomas, obviously for the Redskins. So that's that one. And the rest were obviously base, just a Larry Fitzgerald and a Javon Walker card. Just over the base there. 2 more packs left. 2 more packs left. I guess we can go a little bit quicker. It took 2 packs. It took us 5 minutes. I'm kind of going slow because there's only 4 packs. We're kind of taking our time. Enjoying the 4 packs. I'm going to throw that on the floor. Base. Kind of go from the bottom here. Got a Spectrum rookie. I don't think that's a rookie. I think it's just a Spectrum card of Kenny Watson, number to 100. Kenny Watson Watson. Watson. Can't talk. For the Bengals. And we'll hide that next hit. And go slow. Hopefully it's something good. Go slow for the camera. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely favoring one team in this box. Once again, for the Dallas Cowboys, numbered 47 of 100, jersey autograph of Mr. Patrick Creighton. Patrick Creighton. Jersey autograph number 2/100, numbered 47 of 100 actually, of Mr. Patrick Creighton. And one pack left. One pack left. Yeah, and Spur Fan for Life is a huge Cowboys fan. Last pack, you guys, which actually feels really thin. This pack, Jesus. The back card, you're going to laugh. Base. The back card, what do we pull out of the last pack, you guys? We pulled the Spectrum card of Kenny Watson, number 2/100. That was out of the last pack. Out of this pack, we pulled, once again, a Kenny Watson Spectrum, number 21/25. So, gets the both variation of the Kenny Watson box. And we'll hide the last hit and go slow once again. Hopefully it's something decent again. Go slow. Actually, it's kind of cool looking. Could have been somebody a little bit better. Let's see the numbering on it. Alright, numbered 3/50. 3/50. Triple jersey. Looks like white, black, or actually white, brown, brown for the Browns of Derek Anderson, Braylon Edwards, and Kellen Winslow Jr., spelling out AFC. Number 3/50. And actually number 3 is Derek Anderson's jersey number, so that would be a eBay 1/1 because it's number 3/50. So really nice box actually with that. The Patrick Creighton jersey autograph we pulled, the Devin Thomas that we pulled, and the rookie autograph of Mr. Felix Jones II, and that is number 2/23, I think. Or no, excuse me, 23/35. So really nice. So that's the absolute box break. Got a couple more boxes left we'll do video breaks with. This is a Bum in a Suit out.